Hello and welcome to the daily message once again. Because the feast of St. Vincent de Paul this year falls on a Sunday, I've decided to talk about him today on a Saturday. So Vincent lived during the 16th and 17th centuries from 1581 to 1660. He was a Frenchman. He was ordained to the priesthood as a young man, and he fully intended to live his life in a rather comfortable fashion, just to be a parish priest and to have a fairly easy life. But it didn't take long for him to become very aware of the plight of the poor, especially in the countryside of France. He began to see the plight of poor tenant farmers and rural people in general in France, and he started to do work with them and for them, and he founded also a group of followers who are today the Vincentians, the Congregation of the Missions. And later, with the help of St. Louise de Marillac, he and she founded the Daughters of Charity. Their work took them into the ghettos of Paris. They also founded hospitals. They worked with galley slaves. They worked with victims of war. Their mission was to serve the poorest of the poor. St. Vincent also was known as a great retreat master, and he also founded seminaries. What we see in Vincent is someone who took seriously and lived out Jesus' command to take care of the least among us. And for that reason, in 1833, he was declared patron of all charitable societies. St. Vincent de Paul teaches us many things. One of the most important, I think, is that he cared for those people whom God cares for the most.